Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Do you know what secret tape is? If you don't, stay tuned. So, as most of you who've been with me for any length of time know, I'm always looking for things that can help us to improve our paper crafting. Sometimes it's a little gadget, or sometimes it's something as simple as a new style of glue bottle. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Thank you guys so much for the wonderful ways in which you support me and my channel. And I really do have to say thank you for all of the wonderful comments you've been leaving lately. They really have been very encouraging and supportive, and I so greatly appreciate it. When we start a project, we want to make sure that the finished project is as professional looking as possible. And that comes down to a lot of the materials that we're using, and that's where this video comes into play, because I'm always looking for those things that will help give us that professional edge. So I came across something that I think is going to help us with vellum and acetate. Two things that we love to craft with, but two things that give us such a headache when it comes to trying to keep them as professional looking as possible. I'm going to flip to my overhead camera so that I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. So y'all, here's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this product that's called Secret Tape. Now, it's actually a body tape. Now, the purpose is to be used as a double-sided body tape to hold items of clothing in place. I'm sure you've seen celebrities on the red carpet wearing some outfits, and you're wondering, how is she keeping that up? Well, she's probably wearing something similar to this. And when I saw it, I thought, okay, I'll give it a try because it might help us in our crafting. And in my opinion, it actually does. So I am just going to pull out the bag so that you can see you get 100 of these strips. But in my case, I actually get 200 because I'm cutting them in half to use on my project. And they're very easy to use. So I am just going to go ahead and cut this one because I want to give you a very quick demo of how well this can work for you. So I'm going to bring in my regular tear tape. I have a piece of acetate here, and I'm going to put some of my regular tear tape down like that. And then I'll burnish that tear tape into the acetate. Then I'm going to remove the strip. So on the acetate, that's what my tear tape strip looks like. I'm going to go ahead and just take this and put it down. I might have gotten my fingerprint on it because I've been very careful about how I've been laying this. And we're going to go ahead and peel away backer strip from my secret tape. And just like with the tear tape, I'm just going to burnish that in. And then I'm going to peel away that strip. Now I have these two side by side on this acetate, and this secret tape is nearly invisible. And it's double-sided, so it does actually work. I'm going to pick the acetate up. You can see some form of the secret tape, but you definitely don't see it the way that you see my tear tape. So I have been using this secret tape on my projects to make sure that it has the staying power and the longevity, and it does. Now, I don't know how this secret tape works with photographs and things like that. So if you're doing anything that requires the tape to have an archival quality to it, then I don't know if this is the tape that's going to work for that. But for the purposes that I'm using it to cover my vellum envelopes, to make my acetate envelopes, to make acetate boxes, this is working beautifully for me. So now I'm just going to take a piece of my vellum. I'm going to take some tear tape, place it down, like so. Let's go ahead and burnish that. Then I'm going to take my secret tape, place it down, Go ahead and peel away that second backer half. And peel away. And then I'll peel away my tear tape. So now you're able to see that both tapes actually perform well on this vellum. I like how this one looks because as I'm sitting here looking at it, it is pretty invisible. So is it 100% invisible on vellum? No, it's not, but it gives you that clarity of tape color that when I'm making a vellum related project, I definitely want to not have my tape be a focal point when I'm putting something together. So it's Make a Card Monday, and we're going to make a card, and then we're going to make an acetate envelope for that card. So I have two cut aparts that I haven't completely separated. They're 4x6 when folded. So I'm just going to take this, fold it in half, and y'all, I am making probably the quickest and simplest card ever. Then I have this beautiful piece that I'm going to place on the inside for writing space, and it is cut at 4 3/4 by 5 3/4. We're going to go ahead and just place this down right in here so that we'll have a place to write our little message. And there's my quick and easy card. And it says living the good life on the front and always and forever on the back. And then I made an envelope. I'm not going to go through the envelope making process because we've made so many envelopes on the channel in the past that if you look up any of my Make a Card Monday videos, you will see the same process used for making an envelope. What I wanted to show you is how well that secret tape is actually going to look on here. So I'm going to go ahead and just fold this part of my acetate envelope, get it ready. The only thing that you're going to see on this envelope mainly are my fingerprints. And if you've never made an acetate envelope before, you should give it a try. Really makes your project look extra cute. And just like with our paper envelopes, it's mailable depending on the size. So now I'm going to take just one strip of the secret tape and I'm going to cut it in half. And you can see that the secret tape is cut down the middle, so it makes it easy to peel and apply. And then it has this overlapping piece here that doesn't have any adhesive on it. That also makes it easy to peel and apply. So I'm just going to take this and we're going to place it right here. And let me go ahead and peel this piece. And then I'll take my other piece. We're going to put that right here. Peel away that second piece. And put that there. So now I'm just going to give this a very good burnishing into the acetate. Peel away, peel away. And you can see how the secret tape just blends right in. So I'm just going to take this envelope and we're going to fold up the way that we do our normal envelopes. And y'all, there's our envelope. Now, is the tape 100% invisible? Absolutely not, and I'm not even making that claim. But what I am saying is that it is not as easily seen as my regular tear tape. And you can tell that there. Now I'm going to take my card and let's just put it in the envelope like that. And you can see how beautiful this is from the back to what I'm putting in as the front. And here's the back of the envelope, and the secret tape is right here and over here. But you know what? You probably can't even see it, and I've even raised it a little bit to try to give you a better view. And I'm trying to make sure that I don't get the glare of the light on it, but you can see just how well that tape blends. So I think that for what I want the secret tape to do, it does it. Now, is it 100% invisible? It is not. Will it meet everyone's need? Probably not, because if you're looking for 100% invisibility on your vellum projects or your acetate projects, that's going to be a difficult ask. But for me, the secret tape is performing at a highly acceptable level. If you're interested in the secret tape, I'll have a link in the description box below. Before you purchase this, please make sure that you read the manufacturer's description of what it is. I would also suggest that maybe you read some of the reviews so that you can get other people's opinions on this, because this works for me, but when you get it, it might not be exactly what you wanted it to be. So I want to put that out there up front, that I am in no way saying that this is going to solve all of your crafting issues with applying tape or glue to vellum and acetate. But for me, it gets pretty close. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.